Creating virtual classrooms. At the end of this instructional video, you will be able to create virtual classrooms using Blackboard Collaborate Ultra. Blackboard Collaborate can be used to conduct web conferences and connect with individual students or the entire class. Both you and your students can interact using audio, video, and recording capabilities. You can also utilize private and public chat, a whiteboard, application sharing, and add/edit content at any time. To create a virtual classroom, you can go to Virtual Classrooms and then click on Create Session. From the Session Settings menu, write a meaningful name for the session to help students locate the correct session. Be sure to set a start date and time for the session to enable session recording. Use session settings to determine whether users can download recordings, share audio or video, and engage in chat by configuring the following options. Allow recording downloads. If you want to allow users to download recordings, you can enable this option before starting the session and recording. Anonymize chat messages. You can set the display of chat messages published during the session to appear without names in the recording. You can set the display of chat messages published during the session to appear without names in the recording. You can modify participant settings to allow them to view profile pictures for moderators only, share their audio, share their video, share chat messages, draw on whiteboards and files. After creating the session, go to Session Options and select Join Session to start the session. Through the Collaborate panel, you can view the conversations during the session. You can also see the list of attendees through the Attendees panel. Through Share Content, you can share materials with your students using the whiteboard, which allows you to write and draw on it. Additionally, you can share your desktop or a software application to teach a specific topic to the participants by clicking on Share Application screen. You can also upload images in GIF, JPEG, PNG formats, PDF files, or PowerPoint presentations up to 60 megabytes in size for your session. By clicking on Polling, you can create polls among your students using multiple choice questions and yes or no questions. Through the Session menu, you can start recording the session by clicking on Start a Recording. You can also end the session by clicking on Leave Session. To access recordings of previous sessions, click on the menu from the Virtual Classrooms page in the main menu of the course, then click on Recordings. In this video, we learned about how to create virtual classrooms using Blackboard Collaborate Ultra.